I called, there's a lady that I know that works with another dog company, and she is trying to call some people to help me talk to the owners, because I can't, I don't know what to do with the bodies, I don't know what to do with it. I've never had any issue with the dogs. I've been in business since 2014, and it's just, I can't even look at them. I feel so bad.
Nicole, what we're here to do, okay, this is kind of an odd situation that we don't typically deal with.
I know, okay? I just don't have
and I wish I could give you answers on what you need to do. But we're going to try to help you out. We're going to document it. Okay?
Okay.
That way, if anybody comes back to try to say something that's not in line with what actually happened, you have a report. Okay?
It's awful.
I guess breaker or something popped. She boards dogs. Breaker or something popped. AC died. And there's 17 of them in there.
They can come in.
You tried resetting the breaker at all?
I did. I put the AC on.
Everything is working now?
Yeah, and that's like, we left at like 11. We went down to Depot Park and stuff, and I mean, like, I board dogs for years and years and years, and Sundays I just, you know, I leave longer. And when I came back, they were just hot, like so hot. Yeah, they were outside.
They were outside? So the wet one, he wasn't inside?
No.
Okay.
One of these three right here?
These three. That one was outside.
Okay.
I mean, those ones are okay. I threw them over there too.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Yeah, I'm just trying to pull her off.
Hi, baby.
Hi, doggy, say hi. Stand up,
Yeah. It's okay. It's all right.
We're getting too nasty, but it is what it is at this time.
Yeah.
They probably need to be seen by somebody since.
Yeah. Okay, so that's
do you have somebody else here that can...
Nobody's here now. I called the people. My brother's just on the way.
Okay.
So I can bring these dogs.
Yes, I would get on the road as soon as possible to
Get stimulus out of that, so that's at least
for
plus.
their sake and...
Yeah, that's it.
I thought this dog was going for sure.
I looked in the cage and I saw the stomach go up and down a little bit. And then whenever I got to the front of the cage, her eyes moved and she looked at me. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's all right.
An unforeseen power surge caused my AC to fail in my boarding kennel, resulting in the loss of 12 souls. Yes, there is a police report, as I was alone and terrified. Thankfully, our local fire department was able to intubate and save as many pets as possible. Unfortunately, though, some did not make it. There is nothing that can be said or done to change any of this. But rest assured, even if I am late addressing the public, the affected owners and their families and their pets have been my utmost concern. Thank you and God bless.
She didn't say how long the animals were without air conditioning.
Just like sitting in your car without the air conditioner running. I mean, it could be a minute or two.
Lynn Lambero is the owner of Sunland Acres Pet Boarding Camp. She says it only takes a few minutes for dogs to suffer from a heat stroke in a room without air conditioning.
The breeds that have the real short snouts, they just have a very low tolerance for, for the heat.
Lambero teaches classes on pet safety, and she says dogs can react to the heat just like humans.
Heat stroke is a very big thing in Florida. It happens so quickly, and you can get just, before you know it, the dog can be getting weak and passing out.